Hey guys, yeah, I have here my ONYX Studio 6 wireless Bluetooth speaker, and today I want to show you here how to reset the speaker. For example, if you're having trouble with your Bluetooth connection or something else, then you can try to reset and then things may work afterwards again. So okay, how do we start? So first of all, of course, we have to turn on the speaker, and so as soon as we finish that, here you have the jingle. Then it's going to here right now, in this case, still connect to my iPhone. Here you see ONYX Studio 6 is connected automatically in this case. So now if you look at the Bluetooth button and the plus button, and you're going to press those both at the same time, and you keep holding them until you hear another jingle, and then the speaker actually shuts down. So you see here right now the LED is off now. Speaker has first reset, forgot all of its settings, and then it shut down. So now let's start this thing back up. And now we can check here on my phone, and we can see the speaker actually went into the pairing mode. The Bluetooth pairing mode, it's blinking really fast, and the phone does not automatically connect here. So we have successfully reset the speaker. We have to actually delete the speaker from the phone, and now we can repair this here. We have to pair it again, and now it successfully connects. Okay, so this is it, how to reset the ONYX Studio 6. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up.